Hi, everyone! This video will show you how to backup documents on Windows 10 or 11 in 3 ways. Way 1. Backup documents via MiniTool ShadowMaker. Launch MiniTool ShadowMaker and hit Keep Trial. Go to the Backup tab. Click on Source. Select Folders and Files. Choose the documents you need to back up and then hit OK. Click on Destination. Choose a storage path and then hit OK to go back to the Backup tab. Hit Options in the lower right. Toggle on Schedule settings manually. Configure a time point and save the changes. Click on Backup Now. Hit OK to confirm the operation. After completion, quit this program. Way 2. Backup documents via Backup and Restore Windows 7. Open Control Panel. Under System and Security, click on Backup and Restore Windows 7. If you have made a backup before, hit Change Settings. If not, hit Setup Backup. Choose a location to set up a backup and hit Next. Tick Let Me Choose and press Next. Check the documents you want to back up and hit Next. Click on Change Schedule. Tick Run Backup on a schedule recommended and configure the schedule. Click on Save Settings and exit. Way 3. Backup documents via File History. Go to Start, Settings, Update, and Security. Go to the Backup tab. Toggle on Automatically Backup My Files. Hit More Options. Select how frequently you wish to back up your documents. Click on Add a folder to back up other documents outside library. Click on Backup Now to start the process. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.